I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting representative samples from every source, databases, CSV, and APIs, so you know what you're working with. Once you have samples, preview 1,000 rows to spot nulls, wrong types, and class imbalance. This tells you what cleaning is required. Next, record labeling provenance and expected error ranges, because knowing where labels came from helps you trust downstream results. Finally, make sure permissions and schema contracts are in place before you ingest at scale. Now you clean and transform. Impute or drop nulls with median, mean, or model-based techniques depending on distribution. This reduces bias in training. Once done, normalize numeric features, encode categorical variables, and craft time-based or aggregated features that capture signal. Then validate with automated checks, schema conformity, value ranges, duplicate detection, and initial drift tests, so training data matches expectations. Make sure to log transformations and keep a reversible pipeline for debugging and reuse. Finally, ingest into your training store using batch jobs or streaming pipelines, checkpoint offsets, and define a backfill strategy so you can replay data if needed. Monitor feature distributions, label quality, and latency continuously, because drift or dropped samples silently break models. If issues occur, trigger your rollback plan and alerts. The most effective immediate fix is to replay the affected window with corrected labels and rerun validation. Make sure to document the incident and update tests to prevent recurrence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.